Model Code of Conduct. Elections to the 17th Lok Sabha will be conducted in 7 phases across the country from April 11 to May 19. What is the Model Code of Conduct? The Model Code of Conduct is a set of guidelines issued by the Election Commission of India to regulate the conduct of political parties and their candidates during elections, mainly with respect to speeches, polling day, polling booths, election manifestos, processions and general conduct. Its aim to ensure free and fair elections. The Model Code of Conduct comes into force immediately on the announcement of the election schedule by the Commission. Election Commission has announced that Model Code of Conduct comes into force immediately in states where legislative assemblies have been dissolved prematurely. The code remains in force until the date that results are out.